Alright, I had to make another video because otherwise it's going to be super long and it'll be hard to load to your phones. Okay, here we go. We're going to gather our materials. We need 2 sheets of paper, pencil, eraser, crayons, scissors, and a stapler. And we're going to follow the instructions. We're going to do it together, remember. Okay, so we're going to gather our materials again. 2 pieces of paper, 2 sheets of paper, 2 hojas de papel, a pencil and an eraser, lápiz y borrador, crayons, crayolas de diferentes colores, and a pair of scissors, unas tijeras. Okay, papel en blanco. Este está escrito, pero es el emoji que puedo encontrar. And a stapler. I couldn't find the stapler emoji. Una grapadora. No encontré emoji de grapadora, so it is what it is. Okay, so what are we going to do? Now that you've collected your materials, remember, you can pause the video, look for the materials, gather them, and sit down. We are going to follow the instructions. I'm going to try to show you as we do it together. Okay, so we have 2 sheets of paper. Here. 2 sheets of paper. We have a pencil, an eraser, crayons. My crayons are somewhere around here in my desk. My stapler, I gotta get it. It's here. Scissors. And let me see if I can show you my tiny little stapler. My stapler. And the crayons, they are somewhere around here. Alright. So we're going to start, it says letter A in the instructions. You can follow them with me. Letter A. Says, cut the sheets of paper into 6 parts. This will give you 12 small pieces of paper. Okay? So you're going to take these 2 pieces of paper, and you're gonna cut these 2 into 6 parts. So we could do 1 big half through the middle. Let's see. Okay. We can do 1 through the middle. It doesn't have to be perfect, okay? If it's perfect, great. But if it's not, it's okay. Okay. We now cut them in 2, and now we're gonna cut in 3. So 1 and 2. That will give us 3. Okay, so we have 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay, so that should give you about 12 smaller pieces of paper. Mine is not perfect, but what can I tell you? Right here. So I have my 12 smaller pieces of paper. Okay, let me see if I can draw a little grid so that you can see where you're gonna cut your paper. Okay, so like I said, I drew a little some grid lines for you to follow. Okay, you can fold the paper in half. Puedes doblar el papel en la mitad si quieres que te queden perfecto. Puedes doblar el papel, los 2 papeles juntos a la mitad. Fold them in half. Y por ahí le haces una línea. Then you can take the paper and fold them here and here. And those are the grid lines. Y dibujar las líneas. Y ahí tienes 6 iguales. Y cuando las cortas por ahí mismo, siguiendo la línea, los 2 papeles juntos no los puedes separar. Cuando lo cortas por ahí, te quedan 12 rectángulos, porque no son cuadrados, 12 rectángulos iguales. ¿Ok? Tienes que aguantar como yo estoy haciendo, porque si no, no te va a salir bien. Me encantaría poder estar haciendo esto con ustedes como el origami, pero it's not possible. This is the best we can do. Okay. So now we have our 12 smaller pieces of paper. There we go. 12 smaller pieces of paper. Okay, so now we're moving on to instruction B. La B. ¿Qué dice? It says, staple the 12 pieces together on the left side. So we're going to take our stapler and we're going to staple on the left side, en el lado izquierdo. Vas a ponerle una grapa. Make sure that they're all straight together and staple. That's it. Staple on the left side. Todas las 12 páginas las vas a grapar por el lado izquierdo. Okay? All right. Okay, so we don't have a lot of paper. We have only 12 sheets. So in order for this to work, we need to draw on the left side. We're going to draw, it says letter C. Let me show you. Letter C. Draw a spider on the left side of the page, of the first page. So vamos a dibujar una araña en el lado izquierdo del papel. Aquí. So let's draw a spider. Drawing a spider is very simple. It's not that hard. So you can first, let's see. You can draw an oval. Then a smaller oval in the front. Here. Spiders have 8 legs. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's your spider. Doesn't have to be perfect. You can draw little eyes on it. That's your spider. Okay, so we're going to draw a spider, that same spider on the left side. Again, that would be here, left side of the page. Alright, so here it is. My tiny little spider on the first page. Okay, there it is. Now, we're going to draw the same spider. Letter D. Instruction, letter D. Says, draw the same spider on the next page, but put it a little closer to the right side of the page. Do the same with the other pages. Color the pictures. So, ¿qué vamos a hacer ahora? Ahora vamos a dibujar esa misma arañita en la siguiente página, pero un poquito más cerca, un poquito más a la derecha. Y así, en cada página que pasemos, la vamos a dibujar un poquito más a la derecha. Y un poquito más a la derecha, y un poquito más a la derecha, hasta que en la última página tiene que estar aquí. Has to be here. It has to be here on the last page. Y lo vamos a colorear. I'm gonna color mine black. You can color yours whichever color you prefer. All right, I have